All right, y'all, it is day 2 of the 2026 turkey season. So, y'all come with us. Oh, man, I wish I had that this morning. All right, we got 3 longbeards hung up in the field. So Kate and I are about to put the bushwhack on them. I think we can get closer to them and call and get them on in. So we just low crawled out of our spot. We're going to ease up here and see if we can't get them on in the rest of the way.
2 hours later.
I hate a field turkey. There's 3 longbeards together, and we didn't have them roosted yesterday, but they have roosted at least a couple different evenings in close to the same place, and have been in the same general area. We heard them before daylight, and there was really no good way to get to where they were, or close to where they were, without giving away our position. Oh, slowpoke back there. So we got, we probably walked a mile from the truck. Got in position on top of a hill, because it's usually easier to call the turkey up a hill than it is down a hill. And where we got set up, they were strutting in the field a few hundred yards away from us. Hold on one second. They way across the field on the other side. And that's what they do all day. They just come here in this field, and where it's safe for them, they have a whole lot of area that they can just watch. And that's what they do. If they weren't coming to us, which tells me they're older birds that know how the game actually works. And the way it actually works is, in the wild, the hens go to the gobblers. So they just stood their ground there and were waiting for the hen that they heard to come to them. And since it never did, they just went on about their merry way. We're gonna cut through here, man. You know, the expectation isn't that we kill one every time we go, but it would sure be nice things kind of went our way. Anyway, back to my grumbling. I meant to bring a gobble tube with me this morning, and I went off and forgot it again. That's on me. And the gobbler decoy that I have, the stand that it has, it doesn't lift it very high off the ground. And the way these fields are, they're not clean cut. So I'm not sure that they could actually see the fan. Oh man. We'll get it together one of these days, huh, man? Thanks for watching. We had to get on home, get changed so we could go to church. If you like our content, do us a favor, like this video, subscribe to our page. It helps out our channel. And every chance you get outside with those you love and enjoy God's creation. See y'all next time. How you like that?